What do I do if my Visa gift card needs an activation code?
Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss a very important topic. What to do if your Visa gift card needs an activation code. If you've recently received a Visa gift card, it might require activation before use. Don't worry, it's a simple process and we're here to guide you through it.
Why does my Visa gift card need an activation code?
Before we get into how to activate your card, it's helpful to understand why it needs to be activated in the first place. Gift cards need to be activated for security reasons, to confirm that the card has reached the right recipient. This process helps in preventing fraudulent activity.
Where can I find the activation code?
You can find the activation code in one of the documents that came with your Visa gift card. It's usually a printed insert or could be part of the card packaging itself. Please check all the paperwork and the card packaging thoroughly.
How do I activate my Visa gift card?
1. Locate the activation code. First, locate your activation code as discussed in the previous section. 2. Go to the activation website or call the activation number. Next, you need to access the activation website or call the activation number that should be included with your card's packaging. If you can't find the website or the number, check the back of your card, it's usually printed there. 3. Enter the card details and activation code. Once you reach the activation site or call the activation number, you'll need to enter your card details, like card number, expiration date, CVV, and the activation code. 4. Confirm the activation. Follow the prompts and submit the information. Once the process is completed, your card will be activated.
What if I can't find the activation code?
If you can't locate the activation code, it's best to contact the retailer or the financial institution that issued the card. They can assist you in the activation process and, if necessary, may be able to provide you with the activation code. Ensure you have your gift card and any accompanying paperwork handy during the call. That wraps up our guide on activating your Visa gift card. With these steps, you should be able to quickly and easily get your card up and running. Always remember, securely store your activation code and the card until the balance is fully utilized. Thank you for watching, and we hope this guide has been helpful. Enjoy your shopping with your Visa gift card.